everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And today we're back with a how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins and recreate them with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. Today we took Megan's request. She wanted to see our Kinsley install from our style shoot back in January, recreated with the Eloise Collection. And this is what I guess this is the inspo right here.
Yes.
From the shoot. And this is what we came up with. Her budget was between $1,200 and $1,500. She wanted to cover the stands completely, and I think this turned out really great.
So the products we used today are 12 of our Eloise Garland, 4 of our gold tall stands, and 6 of our short gold stands. And then all that we used were zip ties.
Yep, pretty easy. And yeah. All right, now let's get into it.
Okay, so first we're going to start out by placing a tall and a short stand on top of each other. Then to connect them, you'll zip tie two short and zip tie those together. And then you're going to finish off the line of them with a tall stand.
You're basically just zip tying the garland straight onto the stand.
Yeah.
And that's it.
No method to our madness. The next one, I'm going to add to the side.
I guess I'll go inside now. Final touch are the swags that will line at the base of the stands. So we have 2 each, and we'll just kind of prop them forward so that more florals are showing, and it covers up that bottom completely. This person's budget was max $1,500, and this is what we could do with that. Yes. So we hope you love it. And there you have it, an easy, affordable ceremony install using the Eloise Collection. Megan, we hope you love how this turned out, and we can't wait to see how you recreate it on your own wedding day.
Yes, so if you want to submit your own requests, be sure to do so in the description. Fill out the form, include everything like your wedding date, your inspo picture, which is the most important, the collection. If you don't have a collection that you're decided on, let us know your colors and we'll be happy to help you out there. But yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.